Hello, this is Jen from Newton's Neck Designs. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to create this adorable farm card featuring our brand new Farmyard paper pad and our Moo stamp set. So let's get started. First you need our Farmyard paper pad. This paper pad is filled with all kinds of fun farm images. We've got cows and pigs and chickens, tractors, barns, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to pick the ones that are most cow themed for my project today. I'm going to pick this one here with the cows, that one with the cow print, and then just a gingham. There, it's on the back of that one. So those are the three papers I'm going to use. I'm going to be cutting this out with our basic frames die set, but to make that easier, first I cut a piece of copy paper that's just slightly larger than the frame I'm going to cut out. So here's the frame I'm going to cut out, and then I cut the paper 3.75 by 5. That's going to make it easier to have all the pieces attached. Then I cut the papers to fit on there. So you can see I'm going to arrange them like so, like that, and I will just glue them down. Now I'll take that die set, line it up where I want it to cut. So that's easier than figuring out all the measurements and cutting them each individually. So now I have the fun page with all of the stitching on the edges lined up just right. Next, I'm going to stamp the cow from our Moo stamp set. Next I need a sentiment. Do party till the cows come home. So now we're ready to assemble our card. So I've got a white card base, that piece we made earlier with all of our pattern papers, and that fits inside the zigzag from our frames and tags die set, which I cut out off camera. So this is sized to perfectly fit inside of that. So we're going to add that in, and then we're going to add our cow like so. So all we need to do is put everything together. And there you are, an adorable cow card. So you could do a few more things with this. I did create the one I created and showed you earlier. I had added a little bit of twine there, so you could do something like that. Or you could make the same card layout and use some of the other papers and create more farm cards. Let me show you what I created. So on this one, I used our cluck stamp set with the words "Another birthday, what the cluck?" And I used 3 papers that I thought went with the chicken theme, and a red paper for the frames and tags die. Then again, it's the same layout other than adding this little banner here. Again, I used the same layout for this pig card, but then I picked papers that matched with the pig, and I colored the pig to look like the pig in the paper. And for that one, I used the sentiment "Happy Pig Birthday." Isn't that cute? And this one, again, the Farmyard paper pad, and this is our Oink stamp set. I also created one with our Bleat stamp set. This one says "Birthdays aren't so bad." And again, on this one, I also used some twine. and 3 papers that matched with the goat. And lastly, I made one using our sheep stamp set. This one's called Ba. I picked sheep papers from our Farmyard paper pad, colored the Ba, the sheep, and added "Just heard it's your birthday." So you can see how I just created a really fun collection of birthday cards just using our Farmyard stamp sets and our Farmyard paper pad. Super fun how you can mix and match these products together to create some really cute birthday cards. I hope you enjoyed this video today using our fun new Farmyard paper pad with our cute farm stamp sets. Again, this is Moo, Cluck, Oink, Bleat, and Ba. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful crafty day.